I always see people taking out these engines with the transmission, and now I understand why they do that. This motherfucker was very difficult to get over that, and I am not happy about it. But we're making some progress. We're taking out old Doomsday here. Want to stay tuned and maybe see some more of the carnage. I'm going to attempt to take off the head from the block just to see if this thing is still salvageable or not. If it is, then I'll try and resell it. But finally, this damn thing is coming out. Here it is, my friends. The block that is full of windows is finally out of the Mustang Ecoboost. And again, I was making about 420, 450 wheel horsepower, about 420, 450 wheel torque on the Mustang using methanol and big turbo, intercooler piping, intercooler, downpipe, intake, all kinds of nice bolt-ons. Unfortunately, the block could not hang, which if you've already been around for a while, you know that the Mustang Ecoboost 400's its limit. Actually, about 380 is the limit, safe limit, I would say. Now, I know there's other people that are running more than that out there, but that's where you're safe at, man. About 380 wheel horsepower is your safety. Maybe 400 in torque. Anyways, that's where the fire was, obviously, because the downpipe and the exhaust manifold is there, so that's the hottest place. Once that thing grenaded, and you just saw all those windows on the block. So I gotta clean all this up. I found a ton of chunks of piston rings and piston sitting down there. Maybe some bearings, I'm not sure. All kinds of crap I've been picking up non-stop. But yep, we're making some progress, guys. I think in about 2 to 3 months we might have the Mustang running again, hopefully. I mean, that's what I'm shooting for, but you never know. Thanks for watching.